Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. I'd like to discuss with you a client interview I had today and perhaps some insight that I could share. Before I get to that, if you have any questions, if you want to ask me anything about elder law, please send me an email, frank@frankbrunolaw. Today I met with an older gentleman and his brother to discuss an estate plan. I went to the home, conducted the interview, the consultation with a mask on. It remains surreal. The person that I met with is single and wanted to take care of a long-standing girlfriend, and we discussed life estate. How if he passed away before her, she could stay in the home that he owns with his brother. And if you have any questions about life estate, I could discuss that with you, the pros and the cons, and the circumstances, such as whether or not the person with the life estate is obligated to pay for taxes, water, insurance, utilities, partial use, occupancy, ownership of the house. What is the obligations that is upon that person? Now, another thing that came up in the discussion was whether or not the money that this gentleman had in his various accounts should or should not be consolidated. So I don't even know where his money is, what vehicles, but there would have been a bank account, some individual stocks, a brokerage account, an IRA, and a life insurance policy. But any of the investment vehicles, whether or not it would make sense to consolidate them so that we knew that his assets were in one place, one pot of money. Now, certainly you could do that, and it makes sense from the frame of mind of clarity and convenience. But as an estate planning attorney, I don't need the money to be in one spot. The plan will work just as well if the money is in 4 places or 24 places. It doesn't matter. If it makes sense to you to consolidate your assets, go for it. My recommendation is to do that only if there are no tax consequences. So one of the things that we use in estate planning is the stepped up basis. So if a person bought a stock at $1 and now the stock is 101, right, there's a gain of $100. Why sell that stock now and pay capital gains on the $100 gain, right, in my example? So be mindful of any gains, capital gains, and let's make use of the stepped up basis. If you have any questions, please send to me at my email address, frank@frankbrunolaw. If you find this video valuable, please like it, share it, all the things that technology allows us to do. Thank you very much.